Hey guys, happy new year. I'm so happy to be back and doing a glam video, which is something I don't usually do for you guys, so I'm really excited. I hope you enjoy and thanks for watching. Okay guys, so I've already moisturized my face, and what I like to moisturize my face with is coconut oil, mainly because I just feel like I get the most moisture on my skin when I'm using coconut oil versus like lotion or anything else. So I don't put a lot because I don't want my skin to be too greasy and I don't want the makeup to slip off. So I just put just enough so my skin is nice and moisturized. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put on my primer, and I actually really like this primer. This is Hard Candy Sheer Envy Perfecting Primer, and it's supposed to minimize lines and pores for a smooth finish. This primer is actually pretty good. Really quick, I just want to show you guys this makeup that my sister got me for Christmas. My younger sister Noelle, she actually got me when I first got into makeup, she got me my first makeup brush set like 2 Christmases ago, and then this Christmas she was like, girl, I need to upgrade you, so she got me this really nice makeup kit. It's really cute. I think it's like a professional makeup kit because it has this and you like swing it across. And yeah, it's really nice. I really like this makeup set. It's actually from the Morphe collection. I forgot which set this is, but I will leave it down below for you guys. The brushes are so soft. So I'm gonna start with my brows, and for my brows I usually use the Anastasia Brow Powder Duo. This is how it looks. Let me get it open for you guys. This is how it looks. And I like to use this when my brows are like done and like really nice, but because my brows are damn near like grown the fuck out, I'm gonna use my Anastasia contour kit. And I know you're wondering why I use my Anastasia contour kit. I usually like to use their pencil, but that ran out, so I like to use this color. It's a nice brown color. It's creamy because it's from their cream contour kit, and I use it as my eyebrow filler, and it works perfectly fine, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, so I went in with my Anastasia cream contour kit into my eyebrows, and then I cleaned it up with a little concealer because, like I said, my eyebrows weren't done, and I did them off camera because they literally just took me like 15-20 minutes. So before we get into the eyeshadow, I am just going to put a little concealer on my eyelids just so that the eyeshadow has something to stick to. I don't really use eyeshadow primer. I find that just some regular concealer will do the job. So I'm just going to use my Instant Age Rewind Maybelline concealer. This is what it looks like. So, let me put it over here. So this is my Morphe 350 palette. I really like this palette because I just feel like it has a lot of nice neutral, soft, warm tones, which is what I really like to do. So I always like to start off with a nice neutral color just as like a base for my eyeshadow. So we're gonna go in with this color right here. This is a nice nude neutral color, and we're just gonna go in with that. So now I'm gonna go in with the same brush. It was actually my M332, and I'm going to work with this color right here, and I'm gonna place that right on top of the nude color. Now I'm going to work in my crease, and I'm going to work with, let's say, mind you guys, I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I am just going with the flow. I'm gonna work with this color right here for my crease, just to add a little dimension to my eye. And because I just want a little bit more va-va-voom, something just a little bit more out there, I'm gonna go in with my Stila Kitten Karma glitter eyeshadow. It's like a liquid glitter eyeshadow. I absolutely love these. They are amazing. So for my foundation today, I am using the, is this Maybelline? I think it's Maybelline. Yes, I'm using the Maybelline 24 Hour Foundation Super Stay Matte. And this is one of my favorite foundations. You can get this from CVS, Walgreens, maybe Target, Walmart, anywhere. And it's only $10. And I'm telling you guys, it's probably one of the best full coverage foundations I've ever used. But do y'all see this coverage? Like, I love this foundation. Like, it's the fucking best. $10? $10. And if you're wondering why I am like a shade darker than my natural skin tone, it's because I went to the Bahamas about a month and a half ago and I got really, really dark and I still have the tan. So I always like to keep a shade darker in my kit just for, you know, like in the summertime, if I get a tan and I want to wear my foundation, I always keep a darker color just for that purpose. So now I'm going to go in with that same concealer that I used to prime my eyelids. It's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. So now that the concealer's all blended out, I'm gonna go in with my Spun Loose Face Powder. I love this powder. It is the best. It leaves no flashback. I use a very little bit because I don't like a white cakey look. So that's what I'm gonna use today. So I don't let my bake set for that long, probably just like 60 seconds. So now I'm just gonna dust it off with my Morphe M400 brush, and I love using this to dust off any excess powder. It just gets everything up and I love it. So now it's time to contour, and I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless. I've been using a lot of Maybelline products today. They're just really, really bomb and affordable. Like, good products are good products, expensive or cheap. Like, it is what it is. Good products are good products. So I'm gonna just go in with my Morphe M104 brush. This is a nice contour brush. I love the angle and the precision. It just makes sure that you get the correct contour so that it's not all dark on this side. It just really makes sure that you have good precision. So that's why I really like to use this brush. Now I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques buffing brush, and I absolutely love this fucking brush. This brush is amazing. Like, honestly, I feel like every girl should have this brush. This brush is popping. I'm just gonna go in and smooth out these harsh lines with the from the contour. Now I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. This is the Sugar Kit. Sugar Glow Kit, whatever. I love this kit. This is how it looks. You could tell that I use it. And I don't really have a specific color I like to use. I usually just kind of mix them all up and see what comes out. So let's get in it. So I already went ahead and I did my lower lash mascara, and I added a little bit more eyeshadow to my waterline just to connect with the eyeshadow on top. And now it's time for lashes. And I just discovered these Ardell Faux Mink lashes. I found them at CVS. I thought that they were really, really nice. They're voluminous but not too crazy, which I like. So this is what they look like. I've already used the ones at the top and lost them. So I'm just gonna be using these, and I just love how it starts off small and it gradually like wisps out. So now that my lash is on, it's time for lips, and today I am going to be wearing the MAC Dazzle Glass in Roller Girl. I just wanted something nice and shimmery. It doesn't look that shimmery like when you put it on your lips, especially when you mix it with a lip liner. So I'm going to be using my Precision Lip Pencil by Kiko Cosmetics, and this is their Lip Pencil 301. I just like this color. It's a nice neutral color, and you could pair it with like any lip gloss. So I ended up changing up my lip gloss. I just felt like it was a little too dark in comparison with my eyes. So I switched it to the NYX Butter Gloss in the color Fortune Cookie. It's just a really nice nude lip gloss. So I decided to go with that. So now it's time to go ahead and set my face with setting spray. And my favorite setting spray is MAC's Prep and Prime Setting Spray. Okay guys, so this is the final glam that I had on New Year's Eve. I hope you all enjoyed it. Again, I am not the best makeup artist. I'm not a pro. I'm not even intermediate. Like, I'm just amateur. So if you have any suggestions for me, something that I should do different, please down below comment, let me know. I won't take any offense to anything. I am not claiming to be a pro. I am a learn as you go kind of person. I think that it turns out pretty good for you know, my first glam video. So like I said, comment down below and let me know how you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.